time for a new body kit.
We all have goals, so do I. And for the longest time, I wanted to modify my car. I think it's time for a new body kit and a complete makeover. But now, we go for one last ride before the big change.
Right now we are going to go to a few shops to look for body kits for my car. I'm looking for a M-Sport Bodykit, like one of the first mods that I'm doing to my car ever. Dude, look at that. It says Vera on the back of it. Dude, BBS wheels, nice. So I'm gonna go give my car to the shop. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. I've been wanting to do this for almost 3 years. Never got the chance to do it. So let's go see how the car's gonna look. So excited. So the car is ready. They just handed over the keys to me. They said they've parked it in this alley. We are gonna go and see how it looks. What the f is this?